Hey there, Rohit here. Today we're gonna talk about one of the best gaming headset to get a long period of gaming experience without getting any uneasy and uncomfortable situation. Under 5K price range, this gaming headset यानी कि JBL Quantum 300 is definitely help you to quench your satisfaction. So without wasting any more time, let's roll the intro. Hey, one thing, please let me know whether my new intro is good or need to be changed. Please comment down below your opinion. Here is our brand new JBL Quantum 300 with typical Amazon packaging parcel. All pros, cons, advantages, disadvantages and whether this product is budget friendly or not, and the main thing is the performance on gaming. These all things will be discussed in this video, so watch this till the end of our video. At first, let's unpack this packaging. Wow, the box color combination is pretty awesome. Take a look on this invoice. It is just 1 rupees away to get a rounded 5K price figure. अब क्विकली ये सारे प्लास्टिक रैपर को हटा लेते हैं एंड चलते हैं अनबॉक्स की ओर. कस्टम रोम्स that is help you to enhance your UI experience and also gaming performance. But if you don't have that type of high-end headset, you won't be able to enjoy your gaming experience. So today I have JBL Quantum 300 headset, one of the best mid-range premium headset. Let's watch how it works. Look around the box. It's JBL, sound is survival. Here is the JBL Quantum 3D surround sound labeled sticker, and JBL claimed that this headset has the positioning accuracy. It is Discord certified, so gamers, be ready to be loved one. I mean, with this surround sound you will be a pro player and your PUBG squad will definitely hug you for this. Its mic, its microphone is flip up boom microphone. You can flip up to mute your microphone sound. It is perfectly compatible with Xbox, PlayStation, mobile, Mac and VR devices, and it is specially optimized for your PC. On this side, it is approved by professional gamers and it has super fast response accuracy. On the other side, it is tag from JBL. The tag is Dare to Listen. Let's have a cut and peep into the box. Here is some papers and quick start guide, and मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये सारी चीज़ों की आपको ज़रूरत होने वाली है. So let's take it apart, and it is the 1.5 meter USB audio adapter. It will help you to connect the headset with your PC. Not only this, the 1.5 meter USB audio adapter is enhance your cable length. Oh my god, here it is, the eye-catching product. You want to know my first impression? Yeah, it is the premium one. This headset comes with 3.5mm regular audio jack. The cable is braided. This braided cable is hardy and tough. Let's fill up these plastics. ये ओवरहेड पैडिंग काफ़ी सॉफ्ट है ताकि आपके बालों को कोई चोट ना आए. Yeah, jokes apart, ear cushion is very soft and comfortable. You can wear it more than 6 to 7 hours without getting any annotations. These things are also working fine. And सबसे अच्छी बात, JBL provide their quantum engine software with these headset, and you will get all sound preset, equalizer settings, enhancing features at your fingertip. When you enhance your surround sound through quantum engine software, I am telling you, your PUBG squad, they will not just hug you, they definitely kiss you. And next, यार क्या बताऊं, इसकी माइक्रोफोन क्वालिटी देख के मैं इससे प्यार करने लग गया हूं यार. Such a premium one. The audio you are hearing now on this video is recorded with this microphone. But please avoid noise, I'm sorry for that. One thing more. Make sure that your PC is running on original Windows and activated one. If you are using cracked version of PC software, then Quantum Engine will not work properly. Don't worry. If you don't have activated Windows, no matter. Just make sure that all audio drivers are installed on your PC. Otherwise, you will miss the Quantum Engine. For today, it's done. Please subscribe for more tech related videos and don't forget to drop a like if you are enjoying this video. Product buying link is given in the description box, so don't forget to visit over there. Stay tuned for next video and stay safe. Jai Hind.